Using Odoo Inventory is essential for efficiently managing stock levels, orders, and warehouse operations. Here's a guide for beginners. Log into Odoo. Start by logging into your Odoo account and navigating to the Inventory module from the dashboard. Configure settings. Before managing inventory, configure settings by clicking on Configuration. Set up warehouses, product categories, and any specific rules related to stock management. Add products. To add products, go to the product section and click on Create. Fill in the product details, including name, SKU, type, and pricing information. Ensure you define the product's inventory rules, such as minimum stock levels. Manage stock. Use the Operations menu to manage stock movements. You can record receipts, deliveries, and internal transfers between warehouses. Click on Transfers, then Create to initiate stock movements. Track inventory levels. Monitor stock levels through the Inventory Overview dashboard. This provides insights into current stock, low stock alerts, and product performance. Generate reports. Utilize the reporting section to generate inventory reports such as stock valuation and product movement history to analyze trends and optimize stock management.